Is your Lenovo laptop stuck on the startup screen and refusing to boot? Don't panic. Before you spend money on repairs, try this hidden fix that's working for thousands of Lenovo users. In less than a minute, I'll show you how to get your laptop past the loading screen and back up and running. Fix number 1. Press the F12 key repeatedly while turning on your Lenovo laptop until the boot menu appears. Once you see the boot menu, simply press Enter. In some cases, this quick and easy trick can get your laptop past the startup screen and boot normally. If pressing F12 doesn't take you to the boot menu, don't worry, Lenovo laptops have a Novo button that can help. First, completely shut down your laptop. Then use a SIM eject pin to press the Novo button. After that, your boot menu will appear on the screen. If your Lenovo laptop is still stuck on the logo screen, try the second method. First, completely shut down your laptop. Then unplug the charger and remove any connected devices. After that, press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds to drain any leftover static power. Once done, release the power button, reconnect the charger and other devices, and then turn your laptop back on. That's it. Your Lenovo laptop should now start normally. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.